Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, we haven't really seen much movement this week. It's just been moving sideways. And while I record this video, the price is going up a little bit, but we still have not broken above resistance. So what I want to do in this video, I want to take a look at, the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenarios for Bitcoin. We can take a look at both of these scenarios together with the relevant levels. So I tell you my preferred scenarios on the smaller time frame. We'll start with the white scenario. I know it's very repetitive if you are if you are a legacy viewer, if you've been with us for some time, well, then you'll know that the structure hasn't really changed over the last few days. That's good though, because we want to be consistent with our analysis. So we don't want to change it, every day. So it's quite good if the analysis remains consistent. In the white scenario, we're tracking a 5-wave move up in the making. Wave 1, wave 2. The third wave could still be unfolding, and then we can get another 4-5 pattern. So this third wave could still be unfolding and might even see one more high to potentially 87,900 to 90,280 to complete circle wave 3, and maybe, just maybe, we get another 4-5 pattern afterwards to complete the white A wave. And that's the bullish count, and that's the one I currently let's say see as the most likely one. Support here is 80k, Fibonacci support at least, even though the entire support area is defined between 80k and 83k. What I can tell you is that below 80k, it already becomes less likely that the bulls are leading. But the last line of defense is located here at $78,420. So any break below that level would indicate that, would indicate that a more substantial top has actually formed, and that maybe the bears are starting to take the lead. That would be as the part of the yellow scenario here, in which the price could easily form here one more low, as I said, in the yellow scenario, targeting the area between, let's say, 70 to 72k in yellow wave 5 there. But overall, that's the short-term bearish count, and that, as I said, requires a break below $78,420. So we have a very, very clear level that helps us distinguish between the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenario. Now, I already mentioned in the last update that it could be that this white B wave here is a triangle. So how would that actually be integrated in the bigger picture? Well, the white wave 4 here can be considered a W, X, Y structure. And in the Y wave, we have an A, B, C. That B wave is only valid as long as the market holds below the previous swing high that formed here at $85,600. So overall, there could be, even in the bullish count, one more low. And I mentioned in the previous video that the target for this, let's say one more low, is probably around 82k. Around 82k. But overall, as long as we are holding above that red line, 78,420, the white count is preferred, and it takes a break above initial Fibonacci resistance at $85,733 to suggest that the fifth wave to the upside here is actually unfolding. And the market could test the 87,890 to 90,280 level. So for now, again, this is just sideways consolidation. There's a little bit of an upside move right now, but as I said, until we break above resistance, it is not meaningful. Not much more to say, rather just a quick update. Therefore, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.